Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Hope all are doing good. Viewers, today in this video there is a super job opportunity from Wipro company for voice process roles, 4 different locations and 4 positions. So we'll discuss complete details, eligibility, interview rounds and about the job. Before going into our main content, a small request to the viewers. Those who are visiting the channel for the first time, please do subscribe channel for all private and government jobs notifications. Viewers, first role, international voice process. If you are done your graduation in any discipline, you can apply for this position. Any passed out. Max salary 3,25,000 per annum depending upon your qualification and experience. Eligibility criteria, we have 5 working days, 2 week offs, candidate need to be flexible, we'll have 24/7 environment, fast paced changing environment. Undergraduates, graduates can apply for this position. MBA, BTech, BCA, BSc IT, CSBE are not eligible for this position viewers. This is a very important point. Candidate need to possess excellent communication skills, both written and verbal in English, and as well as company providing transport facility, that too within the boundary. Freshers can also apply for this position. This is a very important point. And work location, Bombay. Next role, voice process. Any discipline, any graduation can apply for this position viewers. Any passed outs. Max salary 4 lakhs per annum depending upon your qualification and experience. Candidate need to possess strong communication skills, both written and verbal in English. Should have strong typing skills. Should be able to work only night shift if required. This is a very important point. Candidate need to be flexible enough. As we discussed, voice process in banking sector. Freshers can also apply for this position. Even postgraduates are also eligible for this particular position. Those who are interested can apply for this position. Vias, third role, associate voice process. Graduates can apply for this particular position. Any passed outs, and max salary is 4,50,000 per annum. Job criteria, any graduates, undergraduates, freshers and experience can apply for this position. Candidate need to be flexible enough, will have 24/7 environment, comfortable to work in rotational shifts. Transport facility is provided by the company and will have 5 working days, 2 week offs, that 2 rotational week offs. Provision for higher studies in any field through company. This is an added advantage viewers. Multiple recreational facilities like gym, gaming, on-campus cafeteria, 24/7 and lush green campus. Viewers, this is from Kolkata. And last position is associate process in healthcare. Any graduates can apply for this position. Any passed outs. Max salary 5 lakhs per annum. Viewers, work location is Hyderabad. Any graduates can apply for this position, and but candidate need to possess excellent communication skills, both written and verbal in English. Customer service, call center experience in BPO, KPO is preferred, not compulsory. Freshers can also apply for this position. Candidate need to possess strong written and verbal communication skills. They highlighted for 2 times, so this is a very important point as we are going to deal with the customers. Basic proficiency with office tools, Windows PC applications, ability to navigate computer while on phone, ability to multitask. This includes ability to understand multiple products and multiple levels of benefits within each product. So this is a complete details of this position, and work location is Hyderabad. And viewers, for all these 4 job roles which are voice process, company is conducting written assessment, first round, second round is general interview followed by telephonic interview, and the last round is HR round. Those who are interested, mainly eligible, please do apply for the positions. I'll provide 4 different links, like 4 different profile links in the description, where work location is Bombay, Chennai, Kolkata and Hyderabad. All the best viewers. Hope this video is useful for you. Viewers, if this video is useful for you, please do like the video so that it will reach to a needy people who are searching for a job. And subscribe Adira Job Creation YouTube channel for all private and government jobs notifications. Stay tuned guys, and all the best for your upcoming interviews, and thank you very much.